Got more birds. These are barn swallows. They must have a nest up here in the corner of the house. These things are just swarming all around today.
Yeah, I don't want those.
Oop, one of them just ran into the house. Clunk.
Get rid of this. Get rid of the barn swallows.
They are happy.
Ugh.
It's funny why they're all on this side and not on the other side. Yeah, shoo them away. They're like flies. Oh my goodness. Look at the shadows of them out there. They must be making a nest up there.
No, I don't want them to be making a nest up there.
They're not on the other side where your finches are.
I haven't seen any nests, but maybe they're...
Yeah.
Did they put them in the gutters?
I don't know. They're sure happy. Well, gotta go.